All right. This is the PS5 Pro unboxing. I know from a very unusual angle that we have here, but for some unforeseen events, including a tripod breaking after you toss the other ones out, here we are with this. But let's go ahead and jump right into it here with the Pro. So we'll go ahead and open up the top slot here. Let's go ahead and, one more seal there. Okay, we're going a little old school with this in this angle. Haven't done it like this in a while in terms of like unboxings, but I figure I want to do something a little cool like this. All right, let's take a look here. Boom, opens up just like that. All right, so let's go ahead and see. We slide this bad boy out here. There we go, right there. All right. Okay, let's see what we have here. We open up probably this side right here. Okay. What do we have in here? We have power plug. We also have the stands. Well, two of them. Here we go. These are the stands to lay it flat. All right. There. Up the top here. There. We have our standard PlayStation controller. We have HDMI 2.1 cable, USB Type-C cable right there as well too. None of these particularly super long. All right. You see one gives us directions right there on how to pull this out. So we'll go ahead and lay it on the side here. Push this to the side and all right. This is a good angle, I think. There we go. All right, gotta have fun with this, guys. You see here we have the manuals, guides, and instructions. As Flossie would say, plug them and file them. Out there. Okay, put this up in here. Here, okay. Put this to the side. All right, let's see what we have here. Okay, this is my first time seeing the PS5 Pro. Okay, wow. Okay. It's much taller than I thought it was. It's definitely taller than the PS5 Slim. We'll do a separate comparison video to this because I want to go deeply into that, and I don't want to just extend this video for no reason. I definitely value you guys' time here, but this is actually pretty nice. It's definitely got some heft to it, you can feel. You can take a look here at the front. We do have, see here, two USB Type-C ports in the front and the power port right there. Okay. We have these little fins here on the side, but they seem to be built in, so it's no real way to take these off from what I can kind of see. Nothing to add to them. I think you could add some lighting strips to it and it'd be pretty cool, but doesn't seem to be the case there. Oh, I noticed the difference between the Slim here. These all have the same texture now for the plates. That is a good thing. Thank you, Sony, for listening on that. You're definitely going to need new plates though, because this is definitely a different design from the current plates, obviously from the original PlayStation 5 and the PS5 Slim. All right, here on the back, we can take a look here. We have the HDMI, we have a LAN port, two USB Type A, and the power port right there. Notice there's no optical audio. It hasn't been on any of the PS5, so if you guys are interested in that, that's not going to be there. Only through HDMI or other means through a receiver. You probably need to configure that, but you see there here with it, and it's definitely set up in the way. You can see here that you can lay it flat. As you can tell, that's why it's kind of this way instead of it being down here where the original PS5. I'll show that in a comparison, how these ports kind of differ because what their Sony's kind of intending you to sort of do. You have the PlayStation logo right there in the front as well. Stands pretty well by its own. You can buy the vertical stand if you want to. It doesn't come with it included, but I think really the reasoning for that is because they're kind of expecting you to just use these here and to stand it vertically to fit inside of your entertainment center, which I think makes a lot more sort of sense. But okay, we can actually put those on here. One, hopefully I put these on right. Two, and there you go. Just like that. Now, internally, this is coming obviously with a much beefier CPU and GPU inside of it, which we'll put to the test in our different videos. This does come with 2 terabytes of storage built into it, which is one good advantage to have. Still has the M.2 slot, so you can expand it even more, which is nice. It also will come with a Wi-Fi 7 as well too. So for those that have a Wi-Fi 7 up or at least 6 or 6E, you should be able to get some pretty fast Wi-Fi speeds with this, especially if you're near your router and if you don't want to have to plug this in. So that's a pretty nice thing also to have built into it as well. Now I'm going to do a comparison between this and the PS5 and the PS5 Slim so you can see all those differences in there. I want a dedicated video to that because I'm pretty sure a lot of people are interested in that if they want to upgrade. Just want to do a quick unboxing and first look right here. Questions, comments, concerns, let me know below. I know this angle is really weird, but this is what we kind of work with today. But let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.